Okay, what we're going to make now is the form to enter new movie details. It's actually a form within a form. This bottom bit is one form and the top bit is another form. So it's what you do is you create the sub form, the bottom bit first. And again, use the wizard. We're using information from our movie details, movie copy, and we want all of those fields. And we're going to have it tabular, so it's arranged in columns. And it doesn't particularly matter. I'm just going to do something boring because it's easy to change. And movie copies and finish. It's always a good idea to look and see what it looks like first and then go in and edit it. You don't want this label up the top, and what you want to do is move all of these headings up. So select them and then push them right up to the top and get rid of all the space up here. You can also make those bold while you're at it. Now we don't want to see this field here. So in its properties, turn visible to no. And if you have a look, it's now invisible. Go back to design view. You can even make it tiny, okay, and just move it over to the side. You don't need to have it there. And then you can just resize this so that it's the right size. And again, this bottom section here only needs to be as big as one row. If you make it too big, you'll have a big fat gap between each of your rows here. So that's that bit done. And yes, we want to save our changes. Now let's go and make the top bit. Go and create another form. This time we're getting our information from our movie details. We want all of our fields. This one can be columnar. And I'm just going to do something nice. I'm going to call it new movies. And again, it's very plain, but you'll get the idea very quickly. I'm going to go in here and go to design view. Again, I don't want to see the movie reference number, so I'm going to turn that to no. And I am going to make, for some reason, I can't make this one width. Let's make it 1. No, it doesn't matter. Now, the other thing I need to do is to expand my form area, because I need to put this movie in down here, this form, sorry, in down here, and then just arrange it. Move it down a bit. Make that just a bit. You should be able to make that bigger. And you can also make this as wide as you need it to be. So we're going to have a look at our form, and you can see there. So Avatar has 3 copies, and I can go and flick through each of these. Okay, if I add a new record here, and let's say it's in store, and it's another DVD copy. Okay, let's just have a look and see what happens to the table. It automatically puts the movie reference ID, or the number of the movie there. This is the barcode, this is the ID number. And have a look here, it tells you what you've got. Okay, you need to go and make this form. Okay, and you can add, just for something different on this one, this time round I want you to add a button that closes the form. Okay, so what it will do is close the form. So when you click this, it does that. And yes, we want to save. Go and do that.